Okay, here it says the number of taxi accidents is approximated by this here quadratic equation. It's rather an ugly looking one, but we'll work with it anyway. And we approximate the number of accidents by per year. What we do is if we want to represent the number of accidents in 1990, we let x equal 0. If we want to represent the number of accidents in 1991, we let x equals 1, and so forth. So, to verify this data that's in the table, if you let x equals 0, we will be finding the number of accidents in 1990. And that's easy to confirm. If x is 0, that term goes away, that term goes away, and we have 6820, which is what the table tells us. If we wanted to calculate the number of accidents in 1993, what we'll do is we're going to let x equals 3. And so we plug x equals 3 into the equation. So everywhere there's an x, we just replace it with a 3. And we'll run those numbers through a calculator in a second, but for 1999. But for this one, when you run the numbers, you get 11,000.2, and they ask us here to round to the nearest integer, so it rounds to 11,000. But we're asked to use this equation and find the number of accidents that occurred in 1999. So what we'll do is, well, let me get back to where I was here. What we'll do is we're going to let x equals 9 for 1999, and we're going to take the equation, just rewrote it down here, and everywhere we see x, we're going to put in a 9. Whoops. So the equation is going to look like this. X squared becomes 9 squared, and then this x becomes just 9. And we know 9 squared is 81, so we can change that to negative 143.3 times 81. And just to show you how to run through this in the calculator. When you punch this out, you're just going to do negative 143.3 times 81. And you can hit enter at this point and then do plus 1823.2 times 9. Hit enter and then do plus 6820. And you get 11,621.5. 11,621.5. Now we want to round this to the nearest integer, so it's going to be 11,622. That 5 makes us round this guy up to a 2. So we would approximate the number of accidents in 1999 to be 11,622.